Rodolfo, and this is our performance task. Today I'm gonna show you badminton technique. First, grip technique. If you use grip technique, you maintain a V shape of your hand position of the racket, like this. And if you need to more powerful and faster hold like this. Use forehand in the first grip, forehand. And second is use backhand. You maintain a V shape of your hand position like this. And the second is serving. Serving, there are two serving types. First is short service. Short service and short service number 2. And second, long distance service. This is a position of long distance serving. And now number 3 is footwork. Footwork, you can use different court position. You can use forward, clear shot, and you can use backward for smashes or drop shot. And you can use side to side forehand, and you can use backhand for side right. And last is strokes. You can use strokes. Stroke, you can use clearly shot. And second, you can use smashes. And third, you can use smash. And now we will play about grip technique, serving and footwork and strokes.
Wap, agani. Wap, lagi. Wap 5 minutes. 0 pa. Ay, sige, isur boy.